Okay, today is called adding and subtracting polynomials. And to be completely honest, I forgot to record earlier, so I'm just going to do a quick recap. If you're adding this polynomial to this polynomial, then I just have to put things that are like terms together. Like these guys, I say they have the most power because they have the biggest power. And it's kind of like they're the generals. They're the most powerful here. And those guys go together and make 8x to the fourths, because 5 and 3 makes 8. I know, this is a review for the video. I'm recording a video for today. And you can ignore me for those of you that already listened and are working on your homework. These guys are of the same rank, and so that goes together and makes 2x squared. And then last but not least, the privates, I like to think of them as the guys with no power. These guys can go together, and the 1 and the 7 makes 8. There we go. Now this, just for a review, is in order with the biggest ones first, the medium-sized powers are next, and the privates are last. And that's in what's called standard form. And a couple things we reviewed from yesterday, it has a lead coefficient of 8, and it has a degree of 4. So that's the basics for today, is we're just adding things together. One other twist they threw in is they had a negative in front of a parenthesis full of stuff. And the way I tried to explain that was if you had this, then the negative gets distributed to everything. So that's really negative 2x to the third. 2 negatives on this one makes it positive 2x, and that's negative 1. And then they'd go with the other like terms that are like them. So this would be, if I had another, let's say they said 2x to the third here. I'd have 2x to the third and a minus 2x to the third, and they would cancel each other out because that makes 0. And all I'd have left is 2x minus 1, and that would be a binomial with 2 for the lead coefficient, and its power, or its degree, is 1. So there is some typical questions from today's. And the worksheet today happens to be pink, and it's adding and subtracting polynomials. And that's my super quick review.